Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of thermal engineering. The topic is refrigeration and air conditioning. Question number 58 from GATE 2015 MSB3. The refrigerant vapor enters into compressor of a standard vapor compression cycle at minus 10 degrees Celsius. H is equal to 402 kilojoules per kilogram and leaves the compressor at 50 degrees Celsius. H is equal to 432 kilojoules per kilogram. It leaves the condenser at 30 degrees Celsius. H is equal to 237 kilojoules per kilogram. The COP of cycle is okay. So we have to find out COP. So this is the typical vapor compression cycle. 1, 2 is compression, 2, 3 is your condensation, 3, 4 is throttling, and 4, 1 is evaporation process. So H1 is given as 402. The enthalpy at the beginning of the compression is given as 402 kilojoule per kilogram, and enthalpy at the exit of the compressor is given as 432 kilojoule per kilogram, and specific enthalpy at the exit of condenser is given as 237 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay. Now we know that in a vapor compression cycle, H3 is equal to H4, so enthalpy at the empty evaporator is also same, that is 237 kilojoule per kilogram. So work required by the compressor is H2 minus H4. H2 minus H4. Okay, so that is 432 minus 402, that is 30 kilojoule per kg. Okay, so work required by the compressor per kg is your H2 minus H1, and the refrigerating effect is H1 minus. This is the evaporation process. So refrigerating effect will be H1 minus H4, and work done will be H2 minus H1. Okay, so refrigerating effect is H1 minus H4. So that will be your 165 kilojoule per kilogram. So COP will be your in case of refrigerating effect by work required by compressor. So refrigerating effect is 165, and the work required is 30. So COP is 5.5. Just we have to divide H1 minus H4 by H2 minus H1 to find out COP, and these things are given. Okay.